Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Epson WorkForce Pro WF-3820. You need to stay on the home screen. If you are on a different screen, just press the home icon on the control panel, then swipe left and open settings. Scroll down and find restore default settings. So if you have just connection issues, you can reset network settings only. You don't have to reset the entire printer settings. So tap yes. Now if you go home, you will see that your Wi-Fi indicators will turn gray. So you can connect your printer from scratch to Wi-Fi direct and to your Wi-Fi router as well. If you need to restore defaults, go back to settings, restore default settings, scroll down and clear all data and settings. But after this you will have to set up the printer from scratch, like select language, select country, set up date and time. So I won't do this because I don't want to reset my printer right now. If you need to do this, press yes and your printer will restart and it will be like new, like just from the box. And that's pretty it. If this was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.